Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In previous videos, we learnt about logical operators as well as comparison operators. But learning concepts is not enough. In interviews, they will give you queries to solve. So in today's video, we are going to practice some of the very important SQL queries. These queries will help you think logically and write better queries. So watch till the end and practice along with me. Before going to queries, first let us understand our table. We are using an employee table. It has 5 columns, that is ID, name, department, salary as well as city. Now we will see our question. The first one is find employees from IT department with salary greater than 30,000. Here department should be IT and salary should be greater than 30,000. Both conditions must be true. So we will use AND operator. Now let us understand this query. Select asterisk from employee means we want to see all the columns from the employee table. Next comes where clause. Where is used to give conditions. Now the first condition is department is equal to IT. This means select only those employees who are working in IT department. The second condition is salary greater than 30,000. This means select only those employees whose salary is more than 30,000. Between these two conditions, we are using AND operator. AND means both conditions must be true. So finally, this query will show only those employees who are in IT department and whose salary is greater than 30,000. Now we will check the same thing with the table. Here Anil is in IT and his salary is 35,000. So he will be displayed. Along with him even Aarti will be displayed since she is from IT and her salary is more than 30,000, that is 50,000. So guys, in interviews whenever you see AND, remember all the conditions must be satisfied. Now coming to the second question. Find employees whose name starts with A and salary less than 50,000. Coming to the query, select asterisk from employee means we are selecting all the columns from the employee table. Next we have where clause. Where is used to give conditions. Now look at the first condition, like A%. Here like is used for pattern matching. A% means name should start with A. Percent means any character after A. Guys, here A% must be enclosed within a single quotes because in SQL strings must be enclosed within single quotes. So this condition selects employees whose name starts with letter A. Now the second condition is salary less than 50,000. Between these two conditions we are using AND operator. AND means both the conditions must be true. So finally this query will show only those employees whose name starts with A and whose salary is less than 50,000. And now let us check the same thing with the table. Anil starts with A and his salary is 35,000, which is less than 50,000. So he will be selected. Aarti starts with A but her salary is 50,000, which is not less than 50,000. So she will not be selected. So only Anil will be displayed once the query is executed. And guys, please remember this. The percent symbol represents any number of characters. For example, A% means the string should start with A. %A means the string will end with A. %A% means the string contains A anywhere. So guys, like is very important in interviews for searching patterns. So please practice it properly. And this is a self-practice question for you. Find employees from HR or sales department with salary greater than or equal to 25,000. If your queries is correct, then write it down in the comment box. And if you have any confusion, please let me know and I'll help you out. Now let us see another set of queries with different table. This time we are using student table. It has 5 columns, that is roll number, name, course, marks and city. First question is find students whose marks is not between 60 and 85. This means we have to display those students who scored less than 60 or greater than 85. Now look at this query. Select asterisk from students means we want all columns from the student table. Now look at the where clause. It has condition marks not between 60 and 85. Between is used to select values within a range, including 60 and 85. So between 60 and 85 means marks greater than or equal to 60 and marks less than or equal to 85. But here we are using not. Not between means select value outside this range. So the query will show students whose marks are not below 60 or above 85. Now let's check the same thing with our table. Anjali and Kiran will be displayed because their marks are not between 60 and 85. Now coming to the second question. Find students who are from Bangalore or Mumbai and scored more than 70 marks. Now let us see the query. First we are selecting all the columns from the student table. Now in where clause, the first condition is city in opening the round brackets, Bangalore, Mumbai, both string values are enclosed within single quotes. In is used when we want to check multiple values in one condition. It means select students whose city is either Bangalore or Mumbai. Guys, we can write the same thing as city is equal to Bangalore or city is equal to Mumbai, but use in operator for optimized query. Next condition is marks greater than 70. This means students must have more than 70 marks. Here we are using AND operator, which means both the conditions must be true. So finally this query will show students who are from Bangalore or Mumbai who scored more than 70 marks. Now when we check the same thing with the table, Aman is from Bangalore and his marks is greater than 70. So he will be selected. Neha is from Mumbai and her marks is 85, which is greater than 70. So she will be selected. And Rohit, Anjali and Kiran will be eliminated in the first condition itself, since they are not from Mumbai or Bangalore. Anita, she is from Bangalore and her marks is 70, which is not greater than 70. So she will be eliminated. So only Aman and Neha will be displayed after execution of the query. So guys, whenever you see many OR conditions, you can replace them using in operator. Now this is your practice question. Try to solve it by yourself. Find students who are not from Delhi and also find students who are studying Java or Python. Once you are done with this, write your query in the comment box and I will see each and every one's. Now we will see some queries using another table, that is customer table. So this customer table has 6 columns, that is customer ID, name, city, age, phone and membership. It also contains some of the null values, which is very common in real databases. Now we will see the first question. Find customer whose age is not null and age is greater than 30. Let's understand this query step by step. First, select asterisk from customer, which means we are selecting all columns from the customer table. Now the where clause, which is used to apply the condition. The first condition is age is not null. This means the age value must be present. It should not be empty. And one thing guys, in SQL we cannot compare null with numbers. That is, when the age itself is not present, we cannot compare whether age is greater or less than 30. So first we have to check whether age is available or not in the table. The second condition is age greater than 30. This means customer's age must be greater than 30 years. Between these two conditions, we are using AND operator. AND means both the conditions must be true. So finally, this query will show only those customers whose age is available and also whose age is more than 30. So from our table, Pooja, Meena and Snehal will be selected since their age is not null and is greater than 30. Now the second question, find customers who are from Bangalore or Pune or whose membership is null. Now we will see the query. Select asterisk from customer means we are selecting all columns from customer table. Now the where clause is used to apply condition. Look at the first condition, guys. City in Bangalore, Pune. Here in is used when we want to check multiple values in one condition. This means select customers who are from Bangalore or from Pune. We can write the same thing using OR operator, but guys, it's better to use in operator for the optimized query. Now look at the second condition. Membership is null. This means the customer does not have any membership. That is, membership value is missing. Between these two conditions, we are using OR operator. OR means if any one condition is true, the record will be selected. So finally, this query will show customers who are from Bangalore or Pune or who do not have any membership. Now when we check the same thing with the table, Ramesh, Karthik, Arjun and Snehal will be selected because Ramesh is from Bangalore, Karthik is from Pune, Arjun's membership is null and Snehal's membership is also null. Others are not from Bangalore or Pune and also they have membership, so they are not selected. So guys, now I am going to give these practice questions for you. These are not some random questions. I have personally faced similar questions in my interviews. So this is very important for you if you want to crack technical interviews. And these questions are based on employee table, student table and customer table discussed in this video. So please read carefully and comment your answers in the comment box. And I will check each one of yours personally and will reply to you all. And one more important thing, I have also mentioned all these practice questions in the comment box. So if you want, you can check the comment box and practice from there also. You don't need to write everything now. Just save the video and use the comment section for revision. So today we practiced many SQL queries using employee, student and customer tables. These type of questions really come in interviews. I have also faced similar questions myself. So guys, please practice regularly. Try solving the queries by yourself. If this video helped you, like and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more placement focused SQL videos. And also you can comment your doubts below. I am always there to help you. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.